Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 31st of August. The euro has been range-bound against most of its major counterparts as market participants prepare for the Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke's speech in the Jackson Hole. The speech, titled Monetary Policy Since the Crisis, is due at 1400 GMT, and investors worldwide will be closely monitoring for hints on the likeness and timing of a third round of quantitative easing. In 2010, Bernanke hinted at the second round of quantitative easing during the annual Jackson Hole meeting, and speculations hope he will do the same this year. Nevertheless, the Fed chairman may not do so, and markets will be disappointed. Thus, we expect the US dollar to be today's mover and shaker either way. Oil has slithered against the US dollar over the past few days, but now lies above the 94.10 support area. This level could cause a rebound and continuation of the previous uptrend. However, a break and hold below this support could pave the way for lower lows. Germany's July retail sales disappointed, coming out at 0.9% versus 0.2%. The single currency was sold off after this reading, but managed to pare its losses, a bullish sign for the euro. The GER 30, which follows the DAX, broke down below the psychological 7,000 level yesterday, opening at 700,480 and closing at 6,980. The US TEX, which follows the Nasdaq, dropped to 275,338 from 278,138. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 125.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 125.40. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.65. The Aussie dollar pivot point at 103.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 103.40. The sterling dollar pivot point at 158.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 158.20. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.99 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.99. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot point is at 94.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 94.95. The gold pivot point at 1652 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1652. And the silver pivot point is at 30.19 with a preference to enter into long positions at 30.19. The US 500 is at 1405 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1405. And the UK 100 is at 5623 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5623. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU unemployment rate in July forecast to rise to 11.3%, Canadian gross domestic product GDP month-on-month in June forecast to grow to 0.1%, and the US Michigan preliminary sentiment in August forecast to drop to 73.6. Our interesting pair to watch is the US dollar, Polish zloty. The dollar produced a remarkable surge against the Polish zloty since the markets opened this week. The single currency convincingly broke through the 3.34 resistance area, rising to 325.17 on Monday to 335.61 on Thursday's close, an impressive 3.21% appreciation. The move yesterday took the pair above its 50-day moving average, and it will be interesting to see whether higher highs can be recorded. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.